What's up, guys? Doing something a little different here today. We're doing an unboxing video of my stuff I ordered from straightclipping.com. So you get to see the box right here. You can see the little things. This is from DVS Designs Apparel. You can go straight to their website that you see here, dvsdesignsapparel.com, or do the Straight Clipping, str8clpn.com, and it will take you straight there as well. And I ordered a t-shirt and some stuff off of there, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing video for them, show you what they sent me. Now, the people that run this are good friends of mine, Kyle and Heather. They are a local North Carolina family-run business. Show them your support, and go ahead and let you know at the beginning, if you use discount code #StraightProjectSPL, it will get you 15% off there at DVS Designs Apparel. That code is live right now. So let's open up our box, and we got some shirts. But first, I want to show you, see if I can get the camera up here. Get this in the video, sorry. What they put up here, I got my camera at a funky angle. So Straight Clipping will not take any responsibility for any fires nor any damages that these products enclosed in this package may cause to your audio system. Enjoy. www.straightclipping.com. Alright, so sorry I got my camera on a tripod, and that was a little funky angle trying to get it in there. But yeah, so we open up our box of stuff, and I'll admit I've already opened this up and just to see what I got. So we got a couple t-shirts you can see. Straight Clipping. Got a gray tee with a black logo. And we got a black tee with a white logo. And these things are awesome. They are good quality Gildan t-shirts. And we'll show you, I don't know if you're familiar, but on the sleeve, we got a little Clippo logo chilling there. Oh, and down here at the back, you can see where I ordered. Got a little handwritten note there. Thanks for the support. There's also a 10% straight 10% coupon code. But remember, if you use #StraightProjectSPL, and I'll put that coupon code in the description, as well as a link to all their stuff, all their website and everything, 15% off with coupon code #StraightProjectSPL. So also, you can see we got a ton of little goodies here in the box. These things are awesome. A couple keychains. We got Clippo with his little pickaxe, and then we got the little Straight Clipping pickaxe. These are awesome. My kids love little keychains like this. They play with them all the time. Oh, we got us a Ruckus lanyard. Oh, a ton of little Straight Clipping and base head decals. I'll show you DVS Designs decals, and this is actually a fridge magnet, so that's kind of cool. Got a fridge magnet, hold the kids' schoolwork up on the fridge with that. We got the embossed magnet right there. I forget what they call these things. Not magnet, sticker. Just normal full color printed DVS Designs decals. We got the Straight Clipping decals. Got the little Clippo dinosaur chilling on there. Oh, we got a handful of Clippo decals. So check out their website. You can do straightclipping.com or dvsdesignsapparel.com. We got a ton of Straight Clipping decals, the old school military font, #Straight Clipping, the newer Straight Clipping logo to match what's on the t-shirts. Couple other Straight Clipping logo designs. So yes, all this available right now at straightclipping.com or www.dvsdesignsapparel.com. I'll put all that info down in the description of this video, including discount code #StraightProjectSPL. Get 15% off. These are awesome shirts. Like I said, I done opened this up to check it out as soon as I got it in. I've actually already worn the shirts. They are good quality Gildan t-shirts. These things are awesome. So if you want some nice stuff, more things getting added to the website every day. They also have the loud tools that are used for setting your amplifier. And I don't know, no one told me, but I believe you can actually use the straight clipping pickaxe. It's got a little flathead end on it. I think that you can also use to set your gains, crossovers, all your stuff on your amplifier. Work out good with that. But yeah, awesome little trinkets, decals, t-shirts. They have the Sundown After Dark t-shirts are available there on the website. More things getting added every day. Go check them guys out. They are a local family-run business. So again, I'm going to show you on the screen. We're going to cut to that real quick. Show you how to do your discount code and what kind of discount it's going to get you. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. So we are on the DVS Designs Apparel website, dvsdesignsapparel.com. I've added a couple t-shirts to my cart right here. And we're just going to go right over here to discount code. And we are going to enter hashtag STR8 PROJECT SPL. Oh, hold on. I did that wrong. Yep, there we go. Hashtag straight project SPL. And then we're going to go right here and click apply. And there you go. You see our discount code has been applied. And it's taken our 15% off. You see right there. So that's it. It's that simple. Check out their website. Ton of great stuff on there. New stuff getting added every day. So give them a look. dvsdesignsapparel.com or straightclipping.com. That is straight clipping, like you see here, STR8CLPN.com. And that's it. That's it for this unboxing, guys. And remember, if you like what we're doing here, click that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Let everybody know about DVS Designs.